HMD Global introduced Nokia 2760 Flip 4G phone. The Nokia 2760 Flip 4G is a classic. It's aimed to users who want a break from the smartphone or need a reliable secondary device. What's up friends? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. This phone received a numeric keypad and runs KIOS, which allows to use applications such as WhatsApp and Facebook. There will be a TFT LCD touchscreen display and model is equipped with a 2.8 inches screen with a resolution of 240 by 320 pixels and secondary 1.77 inches display. The 5 megapixel camera is located at the back with LED flash. The phone is loaded with a 1450 mAh battery. There is a 4 GB of internal memory and it also supports for micro SD card. More features are 4G LTE connectivity, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Let's dive into what this phone can actually do. The Nokia 2760 Flip 4G provides reliable communication in a simple package. It's not a smartphone replacement, but it's an excellent choice for those seeking a basic long-lasting phone. That's all for now and thanks for watching.